Are you suffering from lack of money in your life right now? You are working hard but still not able to make money or not able to attract the right opportunity to make money? If the answer is yes, my friend, you are at the right place right now. And you might have already tried, my friend, law of attraction, affirmation and visualize. Sometime it worked, sometime it didn't work. Do you know why it didn't work? The reason is all these negative programmings are there in your subconscious mind. It may be negative belief, negative programming in the past, or maybe lot of other things. Now, we have tried everything but it didn't work because all these things are there in your subconscious mind. Now, my friend, if you really want to attract more money in your life quickly and easily, the fastest way is my latest technique called Hypnotic Magic Questions. Yes, my friend, listen carefully. These are not affirmations. Hypnotic Magic Questions, which is my trademark for my proprietary and premium course, where you learn how to ask the right question to yourself to activate the part of your mind so that you start getting wonderful ideas, remove your beliefs, change your beliefs, and start getting more money, more luck in your life easily, naturally, effortlessly, and start getting wonderful ideas to achieve your goals, your financial goals. My friend, my name is Pradeep Aggarwal. I have developed this technique. It's very, very powerful technique, my friend. The wealthy people are asking the right question, and the people who have a lack of money, or like you or like me in the past what I had, you were asking the wrong questions. Now whatever the question you ask, subconscious mind give you the answer. Now you need to learn how to ask the right question to attract money in your life. Now if your goal is to attract money in your life, my friend, I have created a very powerful course which is going to happen in Zoom. It will Zoom live classes, 3-day workshop. 3-day workshop, live seminar on hypnotic magic questions to attract the money you want in your life. You will learn step by step this method, plus you will get wonderful ideas instantly. Now my friend, questions take less than 9 seconds to give you the powerful answer to attract money in your life, changing your belief. Everything is so fast, the questions are so fast, my friend. I'm using it regularly right now. I work with the top level sportsmen. When they are not getting results, I ask them to change their question, and instantly they get ideas and success. So you can also become successful financially, attract money in your life easily, naturally, effortlessly using this powerful new method, first time in the world, which I'm introducing you in a 3-day Zoom workshop where you learn by doing it. So my friend, after this workshop is over, 3 days, in the very first day only, you will start changing your belief, financial confidence, eliminate your fear of failure, set clear, achievable financial goal, cultivate positive mindset, and develop consistent positive financial results and habits. Now imagine overcoming your financial struggles, reducing stress, and enjoy high quality of your life. Our step-by-step method makes it easy to follow and implement this life-changing, powerful hypnotic question in your life. Don't let the stress hold you back any longer. Join our Hypnotic Magic Question, our trademark course, to attract money today and start your journey towards a wonderful financial freedom. So my friend, if you really want it, click on the link below and join our WhatsApp group for the complete detail. Now remember, this workshop may not happen again, so register right now and I'll see you in the main workshop. Thank you very much.